Post every day without being online. Let me guess. You know you need to post on social media consistently, but between running your business, serving clients, and everything else on your plate, it just doesn't happen the way it should. One week you're posting every day, the next week radio silence. And here's the thing, inconsistency on social media doesn't just mean fewer likes, it means your audience loses trust, your algorithms reach drops, and potential clients who are watching you from the sidelines decide you might not be as active or reliable as they need. So how do top business owners stay consistent on social without being glued to their phones? The batch their content with AI and they schedule everything in advance. Here's the workflow. Once a week, sometimes once a month. You sit down for a focused content creation session. You use AI to generate 20 to 30 content ideas based on your niche, your audience's pain points, and your current offers. The AI then helps you write the captions, hooks, and calls to action for each post. From there, you record your videos or select your graphics, and you drop everything into your scheduling tool. Posts go out automatically. Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, every single day, perhaps timed for peak engagements. 1 2 hour session gives you a full month of content across every platform. Your audience sees you showing up daily. Your brand stays top of mind, and you never have to stress about what to post again. The best part, AI can even analyze what's performing and suggest more of what works, so your content keeps getting better over time. This is the system smart business owners are using to build audiences and generate leads completely on autopilot. Want us to set up your social automation system? Click the link below. And that link is the #1 personalcareercoach.com/AI-services-opt-in.